Huawei launched its new Nova series phone in some selected global market called Huawei Nova 13i. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Huawei Nova 13i features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Huawei Nova 13i sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that houses a 108-megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery, with 40 watts fast charging support, and it runs on company's in-house EMUI 14.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.3 by 74.7 by 8.4 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Huawei Nova 13i has been priced in Mexico and Malaysia as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in blue and white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 13i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.